unboxing of iPhone 12 Pro. We're gonna do this way. The reason why I'm upgrading is because I broke my phone 2 months ago. No, I've been stuck with the 6. So we're just gonna open it, and I've been waiting all day. We went to the beach today. Just gonna do this. And so with my old phone, I couldn't do anything, so my watch was like disabled. Okay, we have like the Verizon things here, the price. We're gonna put that away. There's nothing in this box. This is the iPhone box. It's very small because it doesn't come with the, what you call that?
Charger.
The charger or the block.
Yeah, I don't think
It doesn't come with the charger. So I have a group of audience with me. So if you hear noises.
Yeah, the crew.
Yeah, the crew's here.
It's so small.
So we're just gonna open it slow. And it's black. I'm so used to doing it with white.
So small. It looks small. The box.
We're just gonna put this way. So this is the phone. I'm so shocked. Look at that. So it's so satisfying. Oh my God. So look, I thought it was gonna be very gold, if you can tell, but it's like, it's nice, kind of hard edge, almost similar to like the 4 and the
I think 5 too.
and the 5.
Well,
Similar, but it comes with the LDR or with that LiDAR for night vision.
I think it's LiDAR scanner.
LiDAR scanner, and it has like 3 lenses, telephoto, and it's pretty. I wasn't really sure about getting gold,
I like the shape.
but I like the color. If you see this in person, it's very nice. I'm just gonna put that down. So it comes in nothing except for the USB to lightning cable. That's pretty much it. For this, we're gonna put that down. And we're just gonna start it up. So, okay. Okay, it's starting up. It feels really light, but solid. And I did get a case.
I wanna hold.
I did get a case.
Wanna hold.
English. We're gonna set up manually. We're gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, it's gonna take a few minutes to activate. But I did get a case from Amazon, and it was only like $10. And switch that on. It's just taking like a couple minutes to activate.
That's activated user.
Continue. Now it's gonna say restore from Mac or stuff. iCloud. I just got rid of my iCloud because it was slowing down the iPhones. So I'm gonna restore from Mac to PC. Okay, I'm gonna put this on hold. So you guys, right now I just literally connected my iPhone to my Mac, and it's asking me download. So now I'm just setting it up. We're gonna close and install. So it's installing what's already updated. So after that, we'll come back. Right now we're at restore in progress, and we're just waiting for it to restore. Screen protector. Also got this from Amazon. Love Amazon. To let's says dust absorber and the alcohol prep. So what I usually do is I wipe the cover first. We're gonna do the alcohol prep. Just clean it out. Take out the case actually. Make sure it's dry. The dust absorber. You can actually use a roller. So I like to use, instead of that,
Unprepared.
I actually use a lint remover because I think it's so much better. So much better to do with it. Of course, you're gonna remove.
Yeah, it removes a larger area.
Thank you there, Becca. I'm just gonna get rid of this. Just kind of like that. Just kind of roll so the lint goes away. And I don't know if anyone does it, but I do. We're gonna read. So it tells you, please peel off before application. So this means this is the correct side. Actually, gonna put this on. It's gonna say other side. I think it's this way. Put it this way. This will guide. Oh.
There's a scratches already.
Guide. This will help you guide. Remove it. I'm gonna remove this part. Remove this. I'm just gonna line it up here. Of course, I didn't line it up. Line it up right about and just wait for it to kind of slowly kind of just do that. We're just gonna crease it so it stays. It's actually good to have like a glass cover because it protects your phone. Now that we have that, we're gonna remove this. There it is. Look at my case. You know, I'm really stoked, you guys, because I've had my old iPhone 6 for 2 months because even though it says that it's water resistant,
Your XS Max.
I would never. I didn't get a verification code. If you ask me quality wise, so far it's so good, but I'm also gonna do a couple videos on quality of the camera and we'll test it out because right now it's still loading and we're gonna try it out later. Peace.